Hi guys, Dex Gilly with GGC. We're still at the landing. We're looking at our curb detail, and now you can see we're putting down some throats. So these curbs are designed to catch this water, put it into a storm drain, but it don't just get there without a little bit of help. It's got to have something to drink it up. That's why these are called throats. So you can see these guys are here forming them up. This is all hand work. You got to do this by hand. You can get a precast unit, but it's hard to control. There's really no margin for error. They come in here and they're skilled enough to work with this concrete and make it look just like they did over here. There's a finished product. You can see they've got the rebar sticking out the top. Whenever they get the top of the throat or the top of that box formed up, it'll sit in there and kind of lock in. About how long y'all been doing this?
Man, about over 20 years.
20 years. So how many throats y'all think y'all been into?
Over 1,000.
Over 1,000, okay. What's y'all's favorite part about this job?
It's hard to say.
Hard to say. Look, that was such a good question, he needed a cigarette. He had to break one out on that one. So what about you? How long have you been doing it?
29. I've been doing it like when I was a child,
Yep.
holidays, and I just grew into it. I say about 15 years.
So this is just kind of a skill you picked up through family.
Family trade.
Family trade, family business. Did you always know you wanted to do it?
Yes, sir.
Always knew. Some people like to buck on the situation, but he loves concrete.
Ain't no time to guess.
That's right, ain't no time to guess. What y'all got anything to say?
We're gonna give you a good job.
They're gonna give you a good job. So if you're looking for somebody to do some vertical work, y'all do flat work too? Any type of concrete, who do they need to call?
Bo Thomas.
Bo Thomas. If y'all need some concrete work done, they'll do it all. They can hand form it, pour a patio, give them a shout.